Hello and welcome to the 13th tutorial in the HTML Basics tutorial series. And in this tutorial, we're going to look at forms and we're going to look at the checkbox element. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual, there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the web page, close that, let's open, probably wasn't the right web page, but just in case. And first of all, don't want to delete the body tag. Just add a form tag, close off the form tag, and inside there, I'm just going to put a input tag, put it of type checkbox, put name equals superhero, value equals, I'm just going to put Batman, and then at the end I'm going to put I own Batman. So let's just go over what we have. We have the input, so we have the type, so checkbox, and we have name and value. These are up to you what you want to put in there. The name will be an identifier to be able to identify that particular input, and the value is sort of a hidden value that you can use to maybe put in a database. For example, you will have a bunch of checkboxes which say which films do you own, and you can have next to it I own Batman, or I own The Dark Knight Rises, or The Dark Knight, I own Man of Steel, etc. So it could be some sort of superhero list, and then you could check the ones that you own, and when maybe you click submit, it puts in a database that you own these ones, and you could put the value in there. So that's just an example that you could use a checkbox for, but let's just show you it working. Go to desktop, HTML, index.html, and here we go. We have a checkbox, so I can click it to check, and then click again to uncheck it. Let's just inspect the element so you can just see. So we've got a form, and then inside we have a checkbox. So that's it. That's how you add a checkbox to your form. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at radio button, which is very similar to a checkbox but slightly different. And thanks for watching.